Hi guys, Anthony from Easy Car Care here. Welcome back to the Everything You Need to Know, and on this episode we're going to be covering Geo Gel, our alkaline wheel cleaner. As I just said, Geo Gel is our alkaline foaming wheel cleaner. It's safe to use on all wheels that have been lacquered. It breaks down any dirts and grimes that you pick up, more so in the winter months, and the beauty of this is agitated with a wheel brush gives you better results. How I use Geo Gel is to spray it all over the wheels, in the wheel nuts and on the back of the wheels, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Leave it for a few minutes to get in all the nooks and crannies, and then grab yourself a detailing brush. Work your detailing brush into all the wheel nuts and nooks and crannies that you can't normally get. Then grab yourself a barrel brush and get into the back of the wheel and the areas that you can't normally reach. Side note, we do have barrel brushes coming in very soon. Once you've let it dwell and done its thing, get your jet wash, rinse it off and ensure you get all of the product off the wheel. Little tip for you, get your brush, get your Geo Gel and load the end of your brush up. This ensures that there's plenty of product in the brush and on the wheel, and it's not going to absorb any product that's already on the wheel, so there's an even coverage and plenty to go around. If you want to go the extra mile, you can take your wheel off, jack your car up, but don't forget, safety first, use them axle stands. This is also great if you're going to be putting a coating on your wheel, because you can get to every single little nook and cranny. Last tip, don't dilute it, it's a gel and water, don't mix unless it's on your hair. We've not manufactured it to be diluted, so use it straight from the bottle neat. What we come across to a lot of first time users to this wheel cleaner is they use it as a touchless wheel cleaner. This will not work, you need to use your detailing brushes. This will unlock all its cleaning capabilities. Now don't get me wrong, the wheel cleaner will still work if you don't use a brush, but that's just a waste of product and a waste of your money. So what can you pair Geo Gel with? As I've already said, our ultra soft detailing brushes, pack of 5 of these are available, and also Aurora fallout remover. This is great for doing decontamination of your wheels. Link for both of these in the description below. And that's everything you need to know about Geo Gel. Do you enjoy the video? Hit like and subscribe, it lets us know. Also, if you've got any comments or any future products you'd like us to review or give you a how-to on, let us know in the comments below and we'll get back to you.